Did you know about the Indian Himalayan mountain range? The Indian Himalayas stretch across 5 states, showcasing breathtaking landscapes and towering peaks. This region is home to diverse ecosystems, from lush valleys to alpine tundra, hosting unique wildlife. Flora includes rare medicinal plants, while fauna features snow leopards, red pandas, and diverse birds. Numerous tribes, like the Bodia and Sherpas, enrich the culture with their traditions and lifestyles. The mountains are sacred, influencing spirituality and serving as pilgrimage sites for many communities. Subscribe for more. Known Indian.